Luminous range, practice problem 1. Let's go. Practice problem 1 reads, the light list shows the light has a nominal range of 6 miles and a visibility of 1.5 miles. What is the luminous range? So we take our two givens, which is nominal range, which is 6 miles, and our luminous range, or our visibility rather, which is 1.5 miles. And then ask, what's the luminous range? Long range equals what? All right, we go to our diagram and we look up nominal range, which you can see it's on the bottom and top. Both say nominal range. So we line up 6. There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and it's got a line. I like to use a straight edge. So we line 6, and then it says the visibility is 1.5. See this? 1.5. These arcs have the distance, the visibilities, 50 yards, 200 yards, 500, half nautical mile, 1, 2, 1.5 is like right in the middle of these. So if you split these in half, it's going to be right around there. And then what you do is follow it over horizontally. We're just above there. So we're something like this tick mark. So it looks like just above 2. 2 would probably do it. And then we can check our answers. 2 is B. So let's check. So 1 we say is B. Yeah, right here. 1, B. So that is the answer to luminous range practice problem 1. If you find these videos helpful, consider using US Captain's Training as your course provider for your captain's license.